Hi, I'm Justin Speer, and in this video I'm going to show you the planner setup of my Filofax A5 Malden. So I first became interested in Filofax planners after watching a movie that came out in 1990 called Taking Care of Business, starring Jim Belushi and Charles Grodin. And Charles Grodin played a character named Spencer Barnes, a professional who loses his Filofax that has his whole life organized in the planner. And ever since that movie, I've wanted a Filofax. However, I didn't finally purchase one until just 2018. And now thinking back on it, that was a full 28 years that I waited to buy one, but it was completely worth it. I'm totally thankful that I have one now. And way back then in 1990, what I first purchased was a Day Runner planner. Used that for a few years, and then I got into Franklin Covey planners, had a couple of those, and then finally getting this Filofax here in 2018. But I just love it. And this particular Filofax is the ochre color, and the leather is just buttery smooth. It's pretty floppy. The strap is really nice and sturdy though, but you can tell the leather just bends pretty easily. One of my favorite things about this planner is this section over here with all the pockets. It has a nice zippered pocket here, which is perfect for keeping stamps or other little things. Has a nice pocket underneath. Really deep pocket here. And then you can put some business cards in these slots or stickers or whatever. But this area is just really fun to think about planning. And if you have a Filofax Malden, I'd love to hear in the comments section below what kinds of things you keep in this front section. There's 2 pen loops on this planner. The pen loops are made of leather. There's no elastic in them, so they don't fit a very thick pen. So right now I'm using these Sharpie S gels, and even those have a hard time getting in, but you can make it. So I just normally keep them attached by the clip. So this is the A5 size, and the paper size is 8.25 inches by 5.75 inches. And that's really a nice size because what you can do is print off an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. If you cut that in half, those pages fit perfectly in this planner. So I'll just go through the setup here of what I have. Have some Filofax sticky notes and little markers here. Picture my daughter and I and our dog hiking. And I got a bunch of these little inserts here that you can put pictures in, like Bruce Lee. Then we get into the calendar section here. And right now I'm using the Filofax Illustrated Diary Pack for 2020. And that size works for me. Then I've got a ruler / marker here from Filofax. And then here's my to-do section. And I've just printed off a Microsoft Word document, and like I said, cut it in half and it fits perfectly in here. I've got some loose paper. And then I have a financial section here, which is all from a spreadsheet. And just a couple sections back here for notes, and have my goals and all sorts of stuff. Some graph paper. And then I have just a whole bunch of loose paper in different colors. And then finally, I have the contact section. And then in the back, there's a top-loading pocket here where I've just stuck a memo pad. But it's a nice deep pocket. I also bought one of these Ziploc type pouches to store extra pens and pencils. But quite honestly, when I had it in here, it was just too thick and bulky. So I haven't been using that lately. And then you can buy one of these hole punches here where you just print off whatever you want for inserts and make your own. Well, that's about it for the planner. But I want to show you the box it came in too. Filofax does a great job of wrapping everything. Really cool boxes. And of course I saved all the original packaging, but it came with a nice protective cover. So overall, I've been really pleased with Filofax. They do a great job. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.